Welcome you all for Value for Money channel. In today's session, let's understand how to prepare loan amortization schedule. So in order to prepare loan amortization schedule, first we need to calculate EMI. So in my last video, I clearly explained how to calculate EMI. So in this video or session, directly we'll start how to calculate amortization schedule. So once EMI calculate, right? So the number of months year is 36. So first I will prepare the number of periods, that is 36. So 1, 2, just prepare 36 periods, right? So principal amount here we have taken 5 lakh rupees, right? In the beginning of the first month, the outstanding balance is 5 lakh rupees. So how to calculate here? Already we calculated EMI. So just select this EMI cell, right? So here the EMI value remains same for 36 months. So whichever the value is remains same, please lock the cell. So how to lock it? So function F4 or else you can enter $B$7, that is the cell reference number. So enter the interest amount. How to calculate interest amount? So the principal amount star the monthly interest rate. So if the monthly interest rate here remains same, right? It's not changing. We are assuming it remains same. So in that case, whichever the value is remain same, please lock it. So cell number B5, I am locking. So $B$5. So next, principal repayment. What is the principal repayment? So that is how to calculate that amount can be calculated equal to so EMI amount minus interest amount. What does it mean? So how much EMI we are paying? 16,607.15 rupees EMI monthly we are paying is remain constant. Out of this 16,607, 500 rupees is adjusted for interest. The remaining 11,607 adjusted for principal repayment. So after at the end of the first month, how much is the money remaining? That is equal to the principal amount 5 lakh rupees in the beginning of the first month minus the principal adjusted repayment 11,607, 4 lakh 88,392.85 rupees is the remaining balance at the end of the first month. So what will be the same amount will be the right the same amount is the same amount will be carry forward for the beginning of the second month, that is equal to same amount, right? Just select the cell and enter. So now in order to calculate the schedule for 36 months, just later you no need to calculate because you already given all the cell references. So just double click, right? So now EMI value remains same, right? It's not changing for throughout 36 months. Then just double click. So wait for this icon and then double click Racy. So we prepared the amortization schedule for the loan amount of 5 lakh rupees for annual interest rate of 12% for a period of 3 years. So how do you confirm the prepared amortization schedule is right or wrong? So how do you prepare? So at the end of the 36 months, the remaining balance is exactly equal to 0. It clearly shows that, right? So whatever the calculations you made is exactly correct. So what is a use of this amortization schedule? First of all, so now assume that at the end of the 10th month, if you want to know what is your outstanding loan balance amount, so you can go to the 10th month. 3,91,258 rupees is the right outstanding balance. So how much so far it is, what you can say that in that particular month, so what is the remaining balance, right? You can see here at the end of the respective month. Suppose assume that at the end of the 20th month you can see how much your loan balance amount, how much you need to pay. So one more, what you can say that at any given point of time, if you want to know how much your principal amount remaining, how much is the interest amount you are paying, how much is going to adjust it to the principal repayment, how much is going to adjust for remaining balance. So the throughout picture, right, the entire picture can be seen in this schedule, right? So now we can calculate the interest amount also. You just equal to sum, right? You can calculate the interest amount, total interest amount, how much you are paying. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch more videos